What up? It is week 9. This means the second to last week of school. That is a huge win. Really proud of you guys for making it this far this year. I know this isn't exactly how we wanted the um, year to end here, but it just is what it is. You make the most of it. So looking at week 9, you're watching the walkthrough right now. Kudos to you. This week we're talking about electricity. I simplified it a little bit. So Tuesday we got notes. The notes do take a little bit of time. Retake or fix your quiz from last week if you'd like to. Just try to do that by the end of the week. It sends me notifications when you do it, so no worries. Wednesday is Wellness Wednesday. So you're checking your Dean's page. Obviously Monday we don't have school, so we don't do anything that day. Thursday, check your answers with from this day with this key. And what I'd like you to do is afterwards answer these 2 check-in questions to finish the homework. This is the place where we could do a little bit of math this unit, but I simplified that on your quiz on Friday. Only 2 of the problems are math. Most of them are concepts. So what I would really strongly encourage you doing is do this lab. So if you click on this, it'll prompt you to make a copy of the lab and it'll walk you through it. This is a really good prep and review activity for Friday's quiz. And then Friday we just have an electricity quiz, 10 questions. I'm going to let you guys take this twice on Friday. So if you don't do great the first time, I'll let you see which ones you got wrong and then take it again. Big reason there is we're running out of time, so I just would for the school year, so I'd rather just have you be able to take it twice. And then the next week is our last week. So Monday, no school. Tuesday, take notes, retake your quiz from last week. The PowerPoint will be in there as well. It got messed up, so I got to re-add it. Thursday, check your answers from the homework and do this lab. And then that is optional, but again, it's a really good prep for Friday, the quiz. Answer these 2 questions after you finish the homework. Just a little check-in. All right, guys, love you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.